So, good day, ma'am. So, and my lowest rates are I am intelligence and I am fast learner. Can understand with one instruction. So, I believe I am a person of who is still a journey of self improvements. And although I may not be the most intelligent person of the fastest learner, so I trust my best in everything. So I do. So I know that everyone learns at their own pace. And I am okay with taking my time to understand the new things. So I may not face in challenges, but I always try to stay and patient and resistant. And then when I might not grasp so concept, I quickly ask others. So I make up for with determination and understand that learner is a process. So and I am always open new ideas and I experiences and experience my goal is to keep growing and improving no matter how long it takes. And I value hard work and consistency, and I believe that in time so I will continue to get better. Thank you, ma'am.